The world of cryptocurrency can feel exclusive, it can feel complex. PiNetwork is changing that. It's creating a future where everyone can participate in the digital economy. Imagine a world where mining cryptocurrency is as simple as using your phone. That's the vision of PiNetwork. Pi is about inclusivity, it's about empowering individuals. This is a new era of accessibility in the financial world. Join us as we explore the exciting possibilities of PiNetwork. Cryptocurrency mining has always seemed out of reach for many. The process, often associated with powerful computers and high energy consumption, felt like a barrier to entry. PiNetwork disrupts this perception. It puts the power of mining directly into the palms of your hands. PiNetwork leverages the power of mobile technology. It allows users to mine Picoin using their smartphones. This innovative approach is not just convenient, it's environmentally conscious. Pi mining doesn't drain your battery or require excessive processing power. It's designed to be lightweight and sustainable. This is cryptocurrency mining for the modern age. At its core, PiNetwork is about more than just cryptocurrency. It's about building a vibrant and supportive community. It's about connecting people from all walks of life through a shared vision of a decentralized future. PiNetwork fosters a strong sense of belonging. It encourages users to interact, collaborate, and learn from each other. The network's built-in chat features and forums provide a platform for knowledge sharing and community building. This community-driven approach is what sets PiNetwork apart. It's a testament to the power of collective effort and shared purpose. The world of cryptocurrency is rife with rumors and speculation. Unfortunately, PiNetwork has not been immune to this phenomenon. One persistent myth that has circulated is the existence of a Pi bank and the imminent exchange of Pi for fiat currency, such as the US dollar. Let's be clear, there is no official Pi bank. Furthermore, there has been no official confirmation from the PiNetwork core team about any direct exchange mechanism for Pi to fiat currency. It's crucial to rely on verified information from official sources, engage with the community, ask questions, and stay informed through official channels. Section 5. The Open Mainnet, a gateway to the world. The transition to an open mainnet was a pivotal moment for PiNetwork. This shift signified not just a technical upgrade but a philosophical leap towards decentralization and inclusivity. Developers from around the globe could now contribute to the network, bringing in diverse perspectives and innovative solutions. The Open Mainnet is more than just a technological advancement, it represents a new era of collaboration and community-driven growth. Launched on February 20, 2025, this event marked a significant step towards broader adoption and real-world utility. The date is now etched in the annals of PiNetwork's history as the day it truly opened up to the world. This milestone was celebrated by the community with great enthusiasm, as it paved the way for new opportunities and partnerships. The Open Mainnet launch was not just a date on the calendar, but a beacon of progress and potential. It opened the doors for Pi to interact with external systems and expand its reach beyond the confines of its own ecosystem. This interoperability is crucial for the integration of Pi into the broader digital economy. By connecting with other systems, Pi can offer more value to its users, enabling seamless transactions and interactions across different platforms. The Open Mainnet is a gateway to a more interconnected and efficient digital world. The Open Mainnet is a testament to the PiNetwork's commitment to progress and innovation. It reflects the network's vision of creating a decentralized, user-friendly digital currency that can be accessed and utilized by anyone, anywhere. This commitment to innovation is what sets Pi apart from other digital currencies, as it continuously strives to improve and adapt to the changing technological landscape. The Open Mainnet is a clear indication of PiNetwork's dedication to staying at the forefront of digital currency evolution. It allows developers to build upon the PiNetwork, creating new applications and services that leverage the power of its decentralized infrastructure. This open environment fosters creativity and innovation, as developers are free to experiment and bring their ideas to life. The possibilities are endless, from decentralized finance applications to new social platforms, all built on the secure and scalable PiNetwork. This collaborative ecosystem is what will drive the future growth and success of Pi. This is a crucial step in PiNetwork's journey toward becoming a truly global and accessible digital currency. By opening up the network, Pi is making it easier for people from all walks of life to participate in the digital economy. This inclusivity is at the heart of Pi's mission, as it aims to democratize access to financial services and empower individuals worldwide. The open Mainnet is not just a technical achievement, but a step towards a more inclusive and equitable digital future. Section 6 PiNetwork takes flight: trading and price dynamics. With the launch of the open Mainnet, PiNetwork entered the world of cryptocurrency exchanges. Platforms like OKX, Gate.io, and BitGet and CoinDCX listed Pi, allowing users to trade it freely. This inclusion on major exchanges provided PiNetwork with a significant boost in visibility and accessibility. This marked a significant milestone, enabling price discovery and broader market participation. Traders and investors could now engage with Pi in a way that was previously not possible, analyzing its market behavior and making informed decisions. As of February 20, 2025, PiCoin debuted with a promising start. The initial response from the market was overwhelmingly positive, reflecting the anticipation and excitement that had been building up within the Pi community. It reached a price of $0.8955, a notable achievement for a newly listed cryptocurrency. This initial valuation set the stage for further trading activities and market analysis, with a 24-hour trading volume exceeding $841 million. Such high trading volume indicated strong interest and participation from the global trading community. This positive early performance reflects the enthusiasm and optimism surrounding PiNetwork's future potential. Investors and traders were eager to see how Pi would perform in the long run, considering its unique approach and growing user base. However, it's essential to remember that the cryptocurrency market is inherently volatile. Prices can fluctuate dramatically within short periods, influenced by various factors such as market sentiment, regulatory news, and technological developments. Therefore, while the initial performance of Pi is promising, investors should remain cautious and stay informed about ongoing market trends and potential risks. Section 7. Millions strong and growing, the power of the Pi community. The success of any cryptocurrency depends on its community. In this aspect, PiNetwork stands out. It boasts a global community of over 10 million users, with a significant portion already migrated to the open Mainnet. This dedicated and passionate community is the driving force behind Pi's growth and adoption. PiNetwork emphasizes the importance of KYC verification. This process helps ensure the security and legitimacy of the network by verifying the identities of its users. While some may find this process tedious, it's a crucial step toward building a trustworthy and sustainable ecosystem. Section 8. Beyond transactions, a glimpse into the future of PiNetwork. PiNetwork is more than just a digital currency. It represents a new paradigm in the world of digital finance, aiming to democratize access to cryptocurrency and make it available to everyone with a smartphone. It's an evolving ecosystem with the potential to revolutionize how we interact and transact online. By leveraging the power of blockchain technology, PiNetwork ensures secure, transparent, and efficient transactions. The network enables peer-to-peer transactions, allowing users to send and receive Pi directly with each other. This peer-to-peer model eliminates the need for intermediaries, reducing transaction costs and increasing speed. This facilitates a more direct and efficient exchange of value. Users can transact seamlessly, whether they are across the street or across the globe, making PiNetwork a truly global currency. PiNetwork's development platform encourages the creation of decentralized applications, or dApps. These dApps can be built by developers around the world, fostering innovation and expanding the use cases of the PiNetwork. These applications can range from social networking platforms to online marketplaces, all powered by the security and transparency of the Pi blockchain. Imagine a world where your social media interactions or online purchases are secured by blockchain technology. Furthermore, PiNetwork is actively forging partnerships with businesses worldwide. These partnerships are crucial for integrating Pi into various sectors, from retail to services, enhancing its real-world utility. These collaborations aim to integrate Pi as a payment method, further expanding its utility and real-world adoption. As more businesses accept Pi, the network's value and usability will continue to grow, paving the way for a future where digital currency is a part of everyday life. Section 9. Navigating the future of Pi, a call for informed engagement. The world of cryptocurrency is constantly evolving. PiNetwork, with its innovative approach and dedicated community, is at the forefront of this exciting frontier. As we've explored, Pi offers a unique opportunity to participate in the decentralized future. However, it's crucial to approach this space with a discerning and informed perspective. Rely on official sources for accurate information. Engage in thoughtful discussions with the PiNetwork community. Stay informed about developments, challenges, and opportunities within the Pi ecosystem. The future of PiNetwork is promising, but it's a journey we must navigate together.